A pleasant morning, afternoon, whatever time of the day it is in the Philippines right now. It's afternoon time here in Dubai at the moment, and we are 4 hours different. And I would like to thank all of you for listening and for at least having me as one of the presenter in this business plan that we are required to do so. I would like to say thank you to our professor and to Sir RM and Sir Bautista for giving us an opportunity to learn more about how to formulate business plans for those who are aspiring, like me and all of my classmates, to have their own business in the future. At the moment, I would like to give you an eye view of what I wish to do, particularly 2 years from now, God permits me, by 2020 to establish a health food store under the name of Eden's Gate, which will possibly be functional in the province of San Juan, Batangas. The Eden's Gate Health Food Store will be located in Barangay Buhay na Sapa in San Juan, Batangas. It's along the road going to Laia, which is a tourist destination right now because of its beach in San Juan. So let's start the presentation. Due to rampant cases of lifestyle-related diseases, people should have an alternative way to choose healthy food options that will bring about healing and disease prevention. Eden's Gate Health Food Store is geared to make this a dream before, a reality today, and an abundant health goal in the future. So come taste and see a whole new world of eating plants. A pleasant afternoon to all of you. A pleasant good afternoon to all of you. It's 4 hours difference here from Manila to Dubai. And I'd like to wish you all a pleasant day. I would like to say thank you for giving me an opportunity to present my business plan, and also a great gratitude to our professor, Sir RM and Sir Adrian, for being our mentor in this course. I've learned a lot, and I think most of us has the same kind of feeling of happiness, of gratitude for having mentors who could really guide us all throughout in formulating our business plan. Today, I would like to share with you a business that I wish to start in San Juan, Batangas, under the name of Eden's Gate Health Food Store. This will be located in Barangay Buhay na Sapa in San Juan, Batangas. This is along the main road going to Laia in San Juan, Batangas, which is well now known because of its beach and beautiful white sand beach. Actually, it's different kinds of colors of sand there, but it's a beautiful place where a lot of foreigners now and a lot of investors are coming in to develop the area. Before I start, I want to give you a brief eye view of why I had this thought of kind of business. Because due to rampant cases of lifestyle-related diseases, people should have an alternative way to choose healthy food options that will bring about healing and disease prevention. Eden's Gate Health Food Store is geared to make this a dream before, a reality today, and an abundant health goal in the future. Come taste and see a whole new world of eating plant-based food, a healthy lifestyle full of fun and nutrition. The problem, needs, and wants that I want to solve in this food store is that because primarily it's for our family. We are a family of 6 who thrive only on plant-based food for our daily sustenance. So the Seventh-day Adventist believers who are also in plant-based food eating lifestyle, the health-conscious individuals who are looking for healthy food choices, the tourists and excursionists who come to visit San Juan, Batangas for beach and tours is another one for them to have an alternative kind of food to eat. The future elites and foreigners who will be residing in the area. According to my research findings, people in need of food product alternatives from meat and commodities that are plant-based in origin, there's a lot of people there. Also, apart from Seventh-day Adventists who are looking for healthy alternative. So residents are looking for these products that are readily accessible in the area and has found none available. There are 7 churches of the Seventh-day Adventist denomination who resides in the area with a church population of about 300 members in the entire San Juan, Batangas. And also there are developers who are selling houses, townhouses near the beach, which is open to potential elites and foreign residents who will be in the area in time. Thinking that these foreigners are health-conscious people who are looking for healthy alternative which is not available anywhere in the locality. So our solution is Eden's Gate Health Food Store. Primarily at the beginning, we are going to concentrate on meat alternatives because this is one concern of those people who wants to get out of meat and just go plant-based in food, but they still miss their meat. So another avenue for us to go through the market is to give them an alternative for meat. Because as you know, at the moment, it's the meat that we are eating right now compared during the old times are full of vaccines, full of hormones, full of a lot of chemicals that are detrimental to the health of the human being. So through this, because these cholesterol-free meat alternatives are actually are soy protein based, they are textured vegetables which are being combined, so we could produce a kind of bite like a meat. So these are being prepared as you want or as you wish to prepare your meat, but we are just making an alternative choice. Eventually, in the long run, Eden's Gate is not only concentrating on meat alternatives. As you know, we have a farm. It's a 10-hectare farm. And we are producing fruits at the moment. And hopefully in time we'll have organic vegetables. So the farm is having some organic fruit produce. So this is also our avenue of displaying our products. In time also, I'm going to set up like a mini cafeteria for people to have a taste of a hot dog sandwich that is vegetarian based, vegetable based. A hamburger that is made of vegetable base. So it's orienting the community on what is this meat alternative taste like. So it will be for others who have not known about meat alternatives. This will be a very good option for them to choose and to taste and be a part of their daily eating. It's not so expensive compared with meat, and you are not getting all those harmful contents of a meat, primarily cholesterol and all those chemicals that they are putting right now in our animals. So my target customers primarily are the Seventh-day Adventist believers and those health-conscious elites and foreigners who are residents in the area. So these customers are conscious of their health and are very much inclined to a healthy lifestyle like the elites and foreigners. Most of the members from the religious denomination are looking for healthy food alternatives, especially in terms of meat replacement. these are the markets who want to avoid the hassle of going to Manila in the nearest city, which is an hour and a half drive to have access to these food products, since these are inaccessible in the area. So the meat alternatives are actually being prepared like this. Like on your left side, the left side of the screen, the picture there, it looks like a Kentucky Fried Chicken for a regular look of a person, but actually it's soy-based, plant-based, cholesterol-free meat alternative. The same way on the right side, the picture on the right side, that is like an adobo, teriyaki style, but it's made of vegetable protein. So it's just replacing the meat that you have. That will be, I guess, something that the health conscious people who are in the area would like to taste, because the Seventh-day Adventists know the taste of this already. They just don't have an access. So it's just a matter of widening people's orientation with regards to other meat alternatives. Competition that I might have on the area, at the moment it's a blue ocean. There is no store, not one, that is having this kind of business in San Juan. The two competition I can see is only the freelancers, which is the first one, who are selling tofu and soya milk, but not on a regular basis, only when they want to. And they just ask among their brethren who wants to order when he makes a batch. So my edge is that I have a display area and a regular selling basis. People can go there anytime they want to. The second competition that I can see is those who buy it outside the area, example, going to Manila or in Lipa City in Batangas. My edge is that they need not to travel long distance to buy these products and will have a wider selection of healthy food choices, because I and my family are using them and we know what we need and what people might be asking for in a health food store. So I have presented here some financial model. The income statement, as you can see, if I'm going to start on 2020, if I will have a capital of about 306 as a gross profit. I'm talking about the income statement, sorry. The gross profit, looking at 306,000, hopefully after 5 years, I can see that it could grow about to 3.8 million. So the cash flow, the balance sheet is, we can see from a total current asset of 237,980, I could be able to increase it by then. And also the total liability, shareholders equity, we can see an increase from a 237 to up to, after 4 years in operation, it could come up to 8 million. A cash flow statement, if we can see here, the operating cash flow started at 135, could be up to 3.2 million after 5 years. So I'm having an optimistic model here, because I know in food I will not be able to lose it, because we are also consuming it. So at the same time, it's just a matter of promoting the products, have some soup kitchens, health lectures that could be rendered to the community, so they could be able to have an orientation and an idea of what are the meat alternative tastes like, and what the benefit of going away from a traditional meat consumption on a daily basis, and make it only like a delicacy or a special occasion type of food. I would like to say thank you again for each and everyone who are here, who are there in the presentation. I wish I could join. Unfortunately, the time is a constraint. Have a good day, and may you have a blessed evening, and may God prosper all our plans. With His help, we can make it possible.